Hello, welcome to Ginger Toast. I'm back with a new recipe. So today I'm making a Chinese style broccoli and prawns stir fry. This dish goes well with Thai rice or white rice. Let's get started. We need broccoli florets, 1 big onion, garlic and prawns. Add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder and half teaspoon of salt to the cleaned prawns. I have taken around 16 prawns. Mix it and keep it aside. Boil water in a pot. Add the broccoli florets. We are going to blanch it for a minute. Do not keep it for more than a minute. Take it out immediately after 1 minute and drain it. This will preserve broccoli's bright green color and crisp texture. In a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of corn flour and add 1/4 cup of water. Mix it well. To this, add 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. Mix well and keep it aside. Switch on the stove and keep a pan. Once the pan is hot, pour 1 tablespoon of oil. I used sunflower oil. Add the prawns and fry it for 3 to 4 minutes. Prawns will not take much time to cook. This is ready. We can take this out. In the leftover oil, add the minced garlic and fry for 1 to 2 minutes. Add cubed onions and saute for a minute. Add the shallow fried prawns. And next is the corn flour soy sauce mixture. Mix the soy sauce mixture well before you pour in. Saute it for 30 seconds until the sauce is nicely coated with prawns and onions. Now I am going to add broccoli florets to this. We want the broccoli to be crunchy, so do not cook it for a longer time. Just combine everything well. To this, add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. If you are a vegetarian, you can omit the prawns and add different types of vegetables like mushrooms, cauliflower, carrots, corn, etc. You can add half to 1 teaspoon of sesame oil to get a flavor, but this is optional. You can omit this step. Combine everything well and our dish is ready. We can serve this. My girls are here to taste the dish. If I make this along with Thai rice, they will happily have their lunch. This is one of their favorite dishes. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like the recipe, please try it out and share your feedback by writing a comment below the video. If you like my channel, subscribe and share the videos with your friends. Do not forget to press the bell icon for notification. Thank you.